Hello, I'm Sarah Fronczak. I'm an environmental management educator with Michigan State University Extension. Today, I will be taking you through a few simple steps to get started with the Michigan Sensitive Area Identification System. First, go to the website sais.iwr.msu.edu. And you'll want to click on this button, Evaluate Your Field. Pause now to create an account. You'll need to do this in order to save and print out your reports to your fields. So go to Login and click Create an Account. So I'm just going to make something up. So here we go. So it says my account has been successfully created and that I'm now logged in. Great. So I'm going to close that. The next step is to enter a field. So you can do this by putting an address, or you can search for the field using your typical map tools. So you can search down, by scrolling and zooming in, or you can type an address. So if your field has an address, this is a pretty easy way to do it, or you can type in an address that gets you close. So this will get me close. So I don't really want that house. What I really want is the field next door. So I'm going to pull up that field. And then I'm going to draw my field. So I click on Draw Field. And it says, click to start drawing. So I'm going to start drawing. And this is a polygon tool. So I can make pretty much as many corners as I want. So I'm going to go around all these trees. You don't have to. You can include these, like if you want to include some of these trees, you can. But I'm just showing you how many corners you can actually have. And then I double click to complete the field. So after you draw your field, you're going to get these questions that pop up. So you want to answer these questions. So answer questions and generate report. Is there subsurface drainage or tile drainage in the area? Yeah, there is. Are there any surface inlets, catch basins, or risers in the field? Yes. Are there any vegetative buffers between the field and nearby surface water? Yes. Describe your vegetative buffer. Well, these vegetative buffers are actually rather wide, so I'm going to say that they're greater than 300 feet from water and safe. Do you have a recent, no older than 3 years, soil test for the field? Yes, I do. What phosphorus levels were found? I believe that the phosphorus levels were in this range because there was manure applied to this field in the past. Was fertilizer applied to the selected farm field? Yes, it was. How was fertilizer applied to the farm field? It was surface applied and incorporated. What amount of fertilizer was applied to the farm field? There was no phosphorus application because we were already above phosphorus amounts that we needed. Was manure applied to the farm field? Let's say yes. How was and when was the manure applied to the farm field? Well, it was incorporated between 3 and 7 days after the application. What was the rate of phosphorus applied with the manure? Less than 30 pounds an acre. What was the rate of nitrogen? I think it was something in there. All right. Did you leave any crop residue on the soil surface after all pre-plant tillage operations have been completed? Well, yes, I did. It was soybean residue, and it looked something like this. Please enter a name for this report. So I'm just going to call this Smith Farm. Do you want to save your results? Yes, I do. So creating these reports will take just a minute or two, and they'll pop up when they're all finished.